Imagine getting paid every single quarter thousands of dollars from your portfolio without selling a single share and without chasing risky high yields. That's where SDY comes in. This dividend ETF focuses on companies that have increased their dividends for decades, not just for a few good years. Today, we're breaking it down to see whether this dividend veteran truly deserves a spot in your portfolio. Part 1. What is SDY? SDY is an ETF managed by State Street Global Advisors, and its mission is simple. It focuses on companies that have increased their dividends for at least 20 consecutive years. We're not talking about companies that just pay dividends. We're talking about businesses that have proven they can grow those dividends through recessions, inflation, and market crashes. Think of SDY as a portfolio of battle-tested dividend growers built for long-term consistency. Part 2. Key characteristics. SDY stands for the State Street SPDR S&P Dividend ETF. It's a passive dividend ETF that tracks the S&P High Yield Dividend Aristocrats Index. The fund holds around 150 U.S. large and mid-cap companies and currently manages approximately $22 billion in assets under management as of this video. It has a moderate expense ratio of 0.35% and typically offers a dividend yield in the 2.5% to 3% range. SDY isn't designed to beat the market with aggressive growth. Instead, it follows a proven strategy: dividend growth combined with quality screening, a formula that has delivered consistent results for decades. Unlike some dividend ETFs that focus purely on high yield, SDY emphasizes consistency and longevity. That stability is one of the main reasons income-focused investors continue to look at SDY. Part 3. Top holdings. SDY invests in well-established companies across multiple sectors. Some of its top holdings include Verizon, Chevron, Target, PepsiCo, and ExxonMobil. These are companies whose products and services many of us use almost every day. They generate steady cash flow, maintain strong balance sheets, and operate with dominant positions in their industries. More importantly, these businesses have proven they can continue increasing dividend payouts even when times get tough. The key here isn't explosive growth, it's durability. These companies have survived multiple economic cycles and consistently rewarded shareholders along the way. Part 4. Performance. SDY isn't designed to be a hypergrowth ETF. It's built for stability and long-term income. Since its inception in 2005, it has delivered an average annual return of around 9%, which is considered very competitive, especially given its lower volatility compared to more aggressive growth funds. During strong bull markets, SDY may lag behind high-growth ETFs. But in market downturns, dividend growers often hold up better because investors value reliable cash flow. Think of SDY not as a rocket ship, but as a steady compounder that rewards patience and consistency over time. Part 5. Why invest in SDY? Many investors add SDY to their portfolio for several key reasons. Dividend growth discipline. Companies in SDY have increased their dividends for 20-plus years, which is a serious quality filter. Quality focus. Firms that consistently grow dividends typically have strong fundamentals. Defensive characteristics. SDY often experiences lower volatility during market corrections. Long-term income strategy, perfect for investors building passive income over decades. If you want dividend growth with a proven track record through multiple recessions, SDY fits that profile perfectly. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into SDY for 30 years, and it continues to deliver a long-term return of around 9% annually, like it has since inception, your portfolio could grow to over $655,000, generating thousands of dollars in passive income along the way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing strategies and ETF breakdowns.